Well, today's video is a DIY Descendants accessories video because I love Descendants, and there is a third movie, so it will be show premiered next year, 2019 summer, and so this video is dedicated to that. But there is also a short movie this month, I think December 29. So if you're one of the Descendants fan, you don't want to miss that. So don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below which character in Descendants do you like the most. So let's go on to the video. Let's go. So the first DIY is I got this water bottle, and then I took a marker and I drew Carlo's icon. So Carlo's icon is two bones crossing each other like so. It may not be the best drawing, but this is what I have right now. And then after I drew the icon, I colored it with white nail polish, but you can color it with any white that you can color with. And then I trace around it so it can be detailed. After you colored in the white, colored in the black on the other side. DIY. The next DIY is Harry's watch. Harry has this watch in the movie, some part of the movie, and Captain Hook has this watch too. So for this DIY, I cut out the strap of this watch. This watch is kind of old. So I cut off the strap and I glue it to this gold cap. After I glue it to this gold cap, I glue this long chain thing to the cap, and that's the DIY. Here is the finished DIY. The next DIY is Evie's magic mirror. Well, it's not really a magic mirror, but you'll still look magical in the mirror. So for this DIY, I'm using air dry clay, but you can use polymer clay, baking clay, any baking clay or air dry clay. So I molded it into a circle because the mirror was square. I think it was a square, but yeah. So after I molded like into a circle, I painted it with gold, so it will look stunning. And after the paint has dried, you wanna decorate it. So I decorate mine with this stickers that looks like gem, like so. After that, you have this fantastic mirror.
next DIY is Uma's next. For this DIY, you need air dry clay or polymer clay or any clay, but I'm using air dry clay. After you mold it, you wanna let it dry. After it dries, you wanna paint it. I paint mine gold, but you can paint any color you want. I paint mine gold because it suits it. After the paint has dried, you wanna glue the jump ring to it, and then insert the necklace. You might want to decorate it or not, it's optional, but I decorated mine. So here's the final DIY. Is this t-shirt that has mouse icon. So what you wanna do is wanna cover up the inside so it won't stain on the back side with cardboard or any paper will help. And then you want to use a trace thing. You can customize yours by printing out mouse logo or icon, or print out draw the mouse icon. And I tape mine so it won't move when I paint it. So I paint this side with purple. So I paint it with purple, so like Mal is kind of purple. Yes, she is very purple. So I colored it purple on the side. The other side is green, but it was supposed to be black, but I colored it green because Mal is purple and green, so I want Mal's colors to stand out, so I use this color. And so after you color it, you want to take off the trace thing that you use. So if you miss some parts, go ahead, detail it like what I'm doing right now. And that's it. And let it dry and you have your t-shirt.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can be notified when I post a new video. Bye guys!